Hi there, I want to show you the rear subframe. I'm just about to start taking this subframe apart. This is the rear subframe, and I just wanted to show you how flexy the original bushes are. So this is the main control arm, which is going along the car. So you could see the flex in that bush. It's made for comfort though, but you could see the left and right. It's just the design. I don't know if you could see in there. So see that flex? That's not good at all. So I have a full set of poly bushes for the rear. It's for that bush, that bush as well. There we are. So this end and this end, both ends on that one. This is where the spring is on that bottom control arm. So I have the bush for the bottom, for the inside, outside as well. I also bought a new bushes for the actual subframe. This will be the original ones for the Peugeot ones. So they're not too bad, the old ones, but I replaced them just for the sake of it. So that's that. Yeah, it's really rusty. Just take it apart and go to the sandblasters and then paint it. Should be good for another 20 years. Right. there you have it. There's a frame. Oh, stripped out, completely bare. Really rusty. Some bit here, lower control arms. These are the supports for the bushes. Some brackets. More control arms. Rear uprights here and here. I'm having to take out the bushes first before sending to sandblasting, so I'll get on with that. Another challenge. These are the rear hub carriers or uprights, whatever you call them. Rear ABS sensors. So as you could see, all that aluminum here is just corroded. You could see it's like it was exposed to acid. You see this? So you can see around the sensor. So it's really bad. I just managed to take the other ABS sensor, so just I'll show you how I did it. Let's hope that it's going to work this time as well. There we go. Well, that was bad. That was bad. So another one sensor recovered, but the next problem is to take out that screw. That bolt shouldn't snap in, but yep, that's one perfectly good sensor. Right, okay, so let's see what we're gonna do with that bolt. I'll try to reheat. Yep, before that I still have the inner race of the bearing, so I'll just knock this out first. Pretty straightforward job. Couldn't be any easier, hey? Right, let's go back to that boat. So what I will do is try to heat up only the body, the aluminum, and it should expand enough to let me crack the bolt loose. Plus the aluminum is expanding a lot more than metal though. that's it. There you go. Worst possible scenario, but so done. So new bolt, anti-seize, definitely not a copper anti-seize, probably a nickel, or I have anti-seize for the bike where you're supposed to grease dissimilar metals to avoid exactly that sort of corrosion. Right, on to the press. You could see what I mean with the design. You see how they're hollow here and here, so there's so much flex. You see, just with a wee bolt I can flex the whole thing, let alone all the force on the suspension. So another shite out of the car. Final two bits, those suspension arms. That's the bush, it's going through that tube. So as you could see, actually this inside, this is the bush. So to press it out, I have to support it from underneath for sure, but if I start to press from the top, it might squash the end of the tube because it's not, see, it's just open. So I just found that a punch bar goes perfectly inside. It's like 9, I think this is 9 mil hex. So this will serve as support, just so I don't squash the end of the pipe. You see what I mean? If I didn't have that support, I might have squashed the ends. That was really easy. So, I just found out that the brake lines, they're metal lines originally. I mean, they're coated with some sort of paint. So they're rusty on a few places. You could see here it's quite badly. Here as well. From that joint. So from that joint, pipes are fine. They go under the bottom of the car, but those pipes, they're also exposed to salt and road grime and stuff. So they're sitting just above the subframe, and now is the moment to fix them. Otherwise, they might get the rust might just get through them, and it's a MOT failure. So what I'm going to do is just snip them actually on this side. I don't bother put any more than bracket, so I'll snip them here. one of my favorite tools when time comes for the brakes. You have to unscrew this. You just open it, put it over, and it's like when it's over, it just self-tension itself. You can't go the other way. If you want to unscrew it, you just flip the spanner over. Pretty handy too.